having trouble paying your bill these days? Living from paycheck to paycheck, trying to make ends meet? This economy, they say it's great. Well, some say it's great. But we know it ain't great. It ain't great for me. It ain't great for you. So, you know what? We all gotta do our part and stand up and say what is on our mind, because we can't go on like this. So here's my message to our elected representatives. It's called Take a Walk in My Shoes. Take a walk in my shoes. Try to make the ends meet. Feel the working man blues. The payment to choose. To heat or to eat. Take a walk in my shoes. Before you start a new war. Let's be perfectly fair. Send your own children there. Take a walk in my shoes. Trump, Netanyahu, Jared and Pete, taking on a country that they thought they could beat. Spending all the money on weapons for war. Getting themselves richer while they're making us poor. The inside trading, we know it's a crime. Our very representatives are robbing us blind. Well, they still got the vote. Yeah, we gon' make them all pay. We gotta stand up and say, take a walk in my shoes. Try to make the ends meet. Feel the working man blues. The pain to choose. To heat or to eat. Yeah, take a walk in my shoes. Before you start a new war. Let's be perfectly fair. Send your own children there. Take a walk in my shoes. Zuckerberg, Bezos, Elon Musk, got plans for America that don't include us. Paying off the president, commander in chief, getting even fatter with the state tax relief. Taking all that I can, don't buy the spin anymore. Getting humped at the pump, feel like an energy whore. Got no money for a beer, now this is starting to hurt. This ain't America first, it's an orange alert. Take a walk in my shoes. Try to make the ends meet. Feel the working man blues. The pain to choose. To heat or to eat. Take a walk in my shoes. I can't take anymore. I'm getting humped at the pump. Feeling like a chump. I ain't no energy whore. No, I ain't no energy whore. But I feel like one. Getting humped at the pump. You know, we're all getting humped at the pump. That's what's going on these days. You know, the gas prices, the food prices, insurance prices, housing prices. You know, it's just getting way out there, and we gotta make ourselves heard. We still got the vote. You know, they're trying to take that away from us, but we can't let them take that away from us. We can scream, we can yell, we can protest, we can do all that stuff, and it's cool. But what you gotta do